Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change aspect ratio on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, let's open the camera application. Then in camera, we can pick video, photo, portrait or pro modes to change the aspect ratio, and in each mode it is changed in the very same way. All we have to do is tap the arrow icon at the bottom of your screen, then select aspect ratio in the popping up menu and select one of the values you see right here, and then just take a photo with a new resolution like this. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.